Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to recover Apple ID password without your phone number. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. Without all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, just open up your internet browser and go to google.com, and here just type in Apple and then just click on the first website like this, and then you just have to click on this card icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then just click on sign in. And here you just have to click on forgot password, and here you can just click on help someone else. And now you just have to put in your Apple ID email instead of your phone number, and this is how you can reset your Apple account password without your phone number. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.